Hey, Dean.
Bike riding in Farmington.
Oh, that's right. I saw somebody actually walked out with that.
Oh, really?
All right, we stopped and got something to eat here at the LaSalle Market Deli. Dean, I thought you'd be sitting over here.
Couldn't afford them.
Oh man, nice ride to this place. Well, it's been about 6 years, maybe 8 years. Last time I rode here was with Phil Hawkins, with his son. I mean, it was a long time ago. I can't remember how long. There's Joe eating a little pizza. You're gonna regret that when you start riding. You have a heartburn.
That grease is going to start working there.
Oh man, now there's a nice seat for you with the box in the tree and all.
I don't think
He's half bird.
Birds are getting out of control today.
Yeah.
Growing up to human size.
Tons of bikes here. You get to pick one, huh? Okay, we're on our way back. Total miles so far, we've gone 12.8, so we'll be almost 20 when we get back to the car. Nice ride. Pretty much flat the whole way. Slight tilts either way, but nothing to even consider. I'd call it flat. A lot of people out here today, though. The trail is packed. Sunday afternoon, huh? Good day to go for a bike ride or a walk. Little fly fishing here on the Farmington River, along with some people tubing. It's all a place where you can rent tubes. Looks like a lot of fun. You'll dry.
What?
You'll dry.
On the freezing way home.
Yeah, it might be a little cold, but if you pedal hard, you'll stay warm. There's a great view of the Farmington River as my crew goes flying by. It's looking north.